Google just released Nano Banana and it literally destroyed Photoshop, Flux, Midjourney, and even Canva. Believe me, I'm not exaggerating here. I've been generating a whole lot of design using Midjourney and even ChatGPT, but none of them is even compared to Nano Banana. Yes, and the insane part is that while all these companies are busy charging people before they could access their product, Google just say, you know what, use it for free. Yes, Nano Banana is absolutely free, 100% free, and it's almost unlimited. I've been doing a whole lot of work on Nano Banana today, and yet I'm still doing more. Yes, meaning it's almost unlimited. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to access Nano Banana for free, and also 3 methods in which you can access this incredibly AI tool by Google for free. And also in this video, I'll be teaching you step by step on how to get your work done successfully using Nano Banana. You know, I don't like too much talk. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. The 3 methods in which you can access Nano Banana is: number 1 is through Gemini AI itself. Number 2 is through Google AI Studio. Number 3 is through Marina. So we are going to be using the first 2 methods, which is through Gemini itself and also through Google AI Studio. Alright, guys, for the purpose of this video, we are going to be first using the first method, which is from Gemini directly. Okay, so you just have to come here, head over to your Play Store and install this particular app, Google Gemini. All right, go ahead and install it. I've already have the app already. That is why it's telling me to open it. Okay, but you just go ahead and install it. All right, so after you install it, locate the app, just locate the application, just go ahead and open the app. As you can see, here we are on Gemini AI. If you look very well, you are going to see image, where they say image, and then there's a banana there. And also, if you look up very well, you are going to see flash 2.5 flash. Make sure it's on this flash. Okay, that is the one we are going to be making use of. So you just have to go ahead and click this image. If you are generating from this Gemini, make sure this banana, as you can see, this banana icon, make sure you click it. As you can see, if you click it, they are going to ask you to describe your image. Make sure you click it and then go ahead and click add image, and then go ahead and choose the image that you want to add. Okay, first of all, let me just choose this, my water bottle. Now that, let me say this water bottle that I just uploaded, it is my product. Let me say you have a product and then you want to, let me say it is my product. Just consider it as my product. Now I want to make this water bottle to stand alone. All right, now make all right, go ahead and hit OK. Now let's watch and see the result. It doesn't take time, it just takes just few seconds. All right, wow, guys, this is cool, this is nice. I see, look at the image, look at the original image, look at it. Guys, this is top notch. And one good thing about this AI is that it doesn't change your product. Yes, it doesn't change it. It will do exactly as you said. Even though if it is human being, it doesn't change the face. Unlike ChatGPT or any other image generating application out there that do change the face or change the product. No, it doesn't change it. Don't worry, we are going to do more examples so that you know the prompt, how to structure it very well. Okay, now I want a model. Now let me upload a picture again. Okay, let me upload another picture. I've uploaded one, then let me upload another one. I want to upload another picture. Okay, now this picture that we just do, I want a model to hold it, to carry it for me. Okay, make this in a white background, in a white background with, all right, and then go ahead and hit OK. Now let's watch and see the magic from Banana AI. All right, okay, this is cool. All right, look at that, look at the image. Wow. And one good thing I love about this Banana AI is the fact that it doesn't change the image, like the face of the model. Look at the face. You see that? Now, let's view. Look at that. You see? The face doesn't change and then it carried very, very well. All right? Cool. Okay, fine. Let's make another example. I want to change something here. Okay. Let me say I want this guy. I want to put on suit on this guy. I want this guy to wear suit. Make this model. Make this model to wear blue suit. Okay, go ahead and hit okay. Now let's watch and see. All right, guy, look at that. Wow, this is cool. This is nice. Look at the quality of the image. It is top notch, right? And this is one thing I love about this banana AI. It doesn't change the face. Look at the face. Look at the face. Okay, look at the face of the model. Now look at the guy. It doesn't change the face, it doesn't change anything. It just follow your instruction. Guy, this is top notch. Even ChatGPT cannot generate perfect image like this. Not even a mid journey, right? Not flux. All right. So this is cool. This is now okay. Let's do something. Okay, let's do something more complicated. All right. I want it to wear a cloth. Like for those that are into design. Okay. Now I'll upload the two image. All right. Now let's watch and see. Okay. I want the two. Okay, I want the model on image one to wear the polo. To wear the polo on image two. Okay, go ahead and hit okay. Okay, guys, this is cool. This is nice. You see, but look at this. This is top notch. This is top notch, guy. This is top notch. This is something that a lot of you have been waiting for, especially those that are into branding, that are into clothing. This is what you have been waiting for. This is not all. Let's do something more crazy. Okay, let's do something more crazy. Now, I want to tell them. I want to tell it to I want to tell it to put this in a city. Place the guy. Place the model in a city. Place the model in a city okay, go ahead and hit okay. Now let's watch and see. Okay, guy, look at that. Okay, guy, look at that. Place the model in a city. Wow, guy, this is cool. This is nice. Look at the model. It's now in a city. What if I tell you to place it in an office? Guy, this is cool. This is nice. Okay, I want us to do something more sophisticated, something more complicated than this one, right? Which is branding your product, right? Okay, fine. Let's do that. Let me say this is my product. I'll select my product and then I'm going to select a logo. Let me say I'm looking for my logo. Okay, let me use this my product, this my thumbnail as my logo. For example, this is my logo. Use If possible, use ChatGPT to know how to structure the prompt. If you structure the prompt very well, you are going to get a better result. Okay, now let's go ahead and hit okay. Let's watch and see if you are going to get the result perfectly. Okay. One good thing I love about this AI is the fact that it doesn't change the face, it doesn't change your product. Whatever it give it, that is what it brings to you. All right. Oh my goodness, guy, look at that. This is top notch, guy. This is cool. This is nice. You see, but this is thumbnail. This is thumbnail. It is very, very small. That is why the image is kind of a little bit small like this, because it is just a thumbnail. And then it doesn't even change the thumbnail. It doesn't change anything. It just do everything perfectly. Guy, this is cool. This is nice. And I can actually change the background. This background, I can remove it. Let's do something very funny. Okay, let me upload this image. Okay, this Trump image. I'll tell it to remove Donald Trump. Remove, and then go ahead and hit OK. Now let's watch and see if this AI can recognize Donald Trump. All right, let's watch and see. Right. All right. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. We don't have Trump again. It has removed Trump. Look at that. Look at that. Guy, this is cool. I say remove Donald Trump from this image. Look at it. You see Donald Trump, right? This is some sort. And the thing removed Donald Trump successfully from the image. Wow, guy, this is cool. This is nice. See, Nano Banana is the best. Assuming you want to remove this manually using Photoshop, you know how long it's going to take you, right? Okay, fine, guys. Let me show you another method in which you can use to access this Nano Banana, right? Let me show you another method. All right, come over here. Come over to your Chrome. like I say, the second method, which is using Google Studio, that's what we want to use now. Google AI Studio. Search for Google AI Studio, Google AI Studio, Google AI Studio. Click it, and then this particular website, this first one, Google AI Studio. All right, and here we go. Okay, try Nano Banana. Look at it. Okay, search for anyone. Look at it. Try Nano Banana. Go ahead and click it. Okay, all right, and then go ahead and click add image. Look at it, this plus icon. Go ahead and click it. Then upload your file. Upload the image. Let me say you want to use this image. Let me say you want to remove the flower from this image. Okay, if you look very well, this image, there's a flower there. Let me say you want to remove the flower. How to remove any unwanted object from your picture. All right, now let me say remove the flower at the background. Remove the flower. Let me just even say, let's keep it simple. Remove the background, hit OK. Remove the flower. Let's watch and see the magic from Nano Banana. All right, look at the flower. The flower is two. The flower is two actually. If you look at this one, the flower is no more there again. Now, let me show you something. If you look very well, look at it. Look at the image, the real image. There's a flower at the back, and then there's another. Look at it. It's no more there again. If I want to remove this one, I can tell it to remove the one at the left. It's how you just write your prompt. All right. So this is how to remove an object. And it doesn't change anything. Even the face, it keeps it same. The face of the guy, it doesn't change. Unlike ChatGPT or any other image generating application that will change the face of the character. Look at it. It doesn't change the face of the character. Look at it. The face is perfect. All right. So this is how to remove an object, unwanted object from your picture. Simple and very, very easy. All right. This is cool. This is nice. A quick one, please. If you are interested in joining our mentorship program, I highly recommend you to check the description of this video. You are going to locate our mentorship WhatsApp handle. Reach out to us on WhatsApp. On our mentorship program, we teach you step by step on how to create a stunning design using AI, and also how to create any type of realistic AI video, and also how to build a responsive website using AI. So if you are interested, check the description of this video. You will see our mentorship WhatsApp handle. Reach out to us on WhatsApp. Thank you. So this is basically how to use Nano Banana to design your work. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't just go. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are watching from YouTube, and don't forget to follow this account if you are watching from Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. I'm Big John up as per usual, friend. Hand to head. Salute. Bye.